In this video, I'll show you guys how I earned more than $15 in 10 minutes using this simple strategy. Without further ado, let's go to the video. To use this strategy, we first need to add two indicators to the market. If you don't know how to add indicators to the market, just simply click this button in the option menu. Then select the correct indicator you want along with the necessary settings. Usually, I recommend you to keep the setting as it is. Today I'm using the RSI and the alligator indicators. I'm using these with their default settings. You can change the setting if you want to, but I do not recommend changing them. Because all other markets are unstable at this time of day, I'm currently trading on the top crypto index market. As I always mention in my previous videos, never trade on an unstable market. It's very difficult to predict this kind of market's future. As you guys can see, the market is currently on a downtrend. And gonna place a $100 trade at the best moment. I won that trade and got back $170 back. I recommend you to only place few of trades like these every day. Never trade too much within one day. You will always end up losing your money. Now the market has changed its direction to an uptrend. I'm again going to wait to the perfect moment and place a buy trade. Okay, I've placed the trade. Now we'll have to wait. Again, I won that trade and got $70 profit. The strategy I'm using to get these results are very easy. Whenever the market hits a peak of its trend, I place a trade to the opposite direction of the market. Here in the RSI indicator we can see that very easily. Every time the market hits one of its peaks, it changes the direction to the other side of the market. You can confirm this further by looking at the alligator indicator. Whenever the market changes its direction, the three lines of the alligator indicator will cross each line and move to the opposite way. This is the best time to place the trade. Okay, now you can see in the RSI indicator, the market had hit its peak on the downtrend. Now we can predict the market is going to go up from now on and place a buy trade. As you guys can see, I ended up winning that trade also. Now I'm going to place a $1,000 trade. This is a very risky trade. I'm doing this sake of the video to show you guys. As you guys can see, I also won that trade. 4. Usually I would recommend you to stop trading after winning few times in a row. Most of people make this mistake by trading again and again. Set up a profit margin for like $100. If you achieve that margin within that trade, stop trading for that day. Now let's see what happens when you place too much trades at once. As you can see, I lost all my profit I made this day. Never trade too much within one day, and also never put too much money in a one trade. Always put low amounts of money. I'm going to end the video from here. Thanks for watching.